Good morning, everyone. Today we are on day 3 of our online short term course focusing on artificial intelligence in education. I'm Athira S R, a guest faculty at MES Pillai College of Education and Research. Our session today will delve into the topic Gamification and AI in Education. Gamification in education involves integrating game elements and mechanics into learning experiences to enhance engagement, motivation, and learning outcomes. It leverages aspects such as competition, rewards, challenges, and storytelling to make learning more interactive and enjoyable for students. So, by incorporating game like elements into educational context, gamification aims to boost student participation, foster a deeper understanding of concepts, and encourage continuous progress. On the other hand, artificial intelligence, that is AI, in education refers to the utilization of AI technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and data analysis to enhance various aspects of the learning process. AI enables adaptive learning experiences, personalized tutoring, intelligent content creation, and efficient assessment and feedback systems. So it analyzes vast amounts of data to tailor learning experiences to individual students' needs, providing personalized pathways for better comprehension and skill development. So, when combined, gamification and AI in education creates an innovative and a dynamic learning environment. So, AI driven systems can adapt game elements to cater the individual student preferences and learning styles, offering personalized challenges, contents, and feedback. So, this fusion enhances students' engagement, encourages self paced learning, and also allows educators to monitor progress more effectively. So, ultimately, the integration of gamification and AI revolutionizes the traditional educational approaches, making the learning more interactive, enjoyable, and tailored to each student's need and capabilities. So, this is a brief introduction about gamification and AI in education. Now, let's see how gamification enhances student engagement. Gamification in education reshapes the learning landscape by infusing game elements into educational context, aiming to boost student engagement and motivation. It harnesses the intrinsic and extrinsic rewards, tapping into students' internal drive for mastery and accomplishment while providing tangible recognition through badges, points, and leaderboards. So, we can say that this approach tailors learning experiences, offering personalized pathways that adapt to individual learning styles and abilities through AI powered platforms. So, by introducing interactive elements such as challenges, quests, and stimulations, gamification immerses students in the learning process, encouraging critical thinking and problem solving. So, the immediate feedback and progress tracking mechanisms further enhances engagement, empowering students to gauge their strength and the areas needing improvement. So, social collaboration and community building elements foster teamwork and peer learning. So, the gamified learning sustains engagement by introducing new challenges, maintaining interest, and adjusting content dynamically, ensuring an optimum level of challenge. So, overall, it creates an interactive, rewarding, and adaptive environment that fosters the intrinsic motivation and activate participation, fundamentally transforming the learning experience for students. So, through gamified learning activities, rewards and progress tracking, and competition and leaderhood can enhance the students' engagement. For example, in gamified learning activities, wherein we discuss that the activities infuse the learning activities infuse educational content with game-like elements to increase students' involvement and motivation. So this include, like I said, challenges, levels, and quests, or incorporating narratives into learning modules. For example, we can say
in a language learning app, wherein students advance through levels by completing tasks and quizzes. So, as they progress, they unlock new vocabulary sets or challenges, wherein it helps to make them the learning more easy. It helps the learning process more engaging, and they feel motivated. And it always, like I said, it is more engaging and motivating for the students or for the learners. So this is a very good way of implementing content in a easy way. So through some games or through some activities, it is the educational content will be infused. Okay, so this is with the gamified learning activities. Now, with the case with reward and progress tracking, here the reward system or the progress tracking provide immediate feedback and incentives, which encourages the continuous participation and effort. Herein, the learners or the students will get an immediate feedback. So like I said, it includes badges, points, or virtual rewards for their achievements and their milestones. For example, we can say a math app a learning app, wherein the it rewards students with points for correctly solving equations. So students will be collecting points. So these accumulated points unlock special features or levels for them. Okay, so the process tracking feature allows the students to visualize their improvement over the time, which motivates them to continue learning. This is also a very interesting and very innovative way of learning something. And no it always it will motivate, or it engages the students. So by giving them badges, points, and through virtual rewards for the achievement, they feel motivated, and they visualize their improvement. So that is with the rewards and progress tracking. Then with competition and leaderboards, same like I said, the incorporating elements of
Through
competition such as
gamified learning
leaderboards or
activities,
challenges,
rewards
it
and progress
fosters a
tracking,
sense of
competition and
accomplishment and
leaderboard
encourages
can enhance
students
the
to strive
students'
for
engagement.
improvement. Again, for example, we can say an online learning platform,
Gamified learning
wherein
activities,
it introduces
wherein we
a
discuss
weekly
that the
challenges.
activities
The
infuse
students solve
the learning
problem,
activities infuse
and there
educational content with
the
game-like
leaderboard
elements to
displays
increase
top
students' involvement
performers,
and motivation.
and which
So this
it
include, like I
encourages
said,
a healthy competition,
challenges
levels,
and
and
quiz,
motivating students
or
to
incorporating
excel.
narratives into learning
So,
modules.
like
For
we
example, we
discussed,
can say
that by
in a language
integrating
learning app,
these
wherein
gamification
students advance through
elements into
levels by
educational
completing
experiences,
tasks and
students are
quizzes.
more
So
likely
as
to
they
stay
progress,
engaged,
they
motivated,
unlock
and committed
new
to
vocabulary
learning.
sets or
So, the
challenges,
interactive and
wherein
rewarding
it
nature
helps
of
to make
gamified
them
activities
the learning more
promotes
easy.
a sense of
It
achievement
helps the
and focus,
learning process
and also
more
fosters a
engaging,
positive learning
and they
environment,
feel motivated.
that encourages
And it
continuous
always, like I said,
participation and
it is
improvement.
more engaging and motivating for the students or for the learners. So this is a very good way of implementing content in a easy way. So through some games or through some activities, it is the educational content will be infused. Okay, so this is with the gamified learning activities. Now, with the case with reward and progress tracking, here the reward system or the progress tracking provide immediate feedback and incentives, which encourages the continuous participation and effort. Herein, the learners or the students will get an immediate feedback. So like I said, it includes badges, points, or virtual rewards for their achievements and their milestones. For example, we can say a math app a learning app, wherein it rewards students with points for correctly solving equations. So students will be collecting points. So these accumulated points unlock special features or levels for them. Okay, so the process tracking feature allows the students to visualize their improvement over the time, which motivates them to continue learning. This is also a very interesting and very innovative way of learning something.
and it always it will motivate or it engages the students. So by giving them badges, points, and through virtual rewards for the achievement, they feel motivated, and they visualize their improvement. So that is with the rewards and progress tracking. Then with competition and leaderboards, same like I said, the incorporating elements of competition such as leaderboards or challenges, it fosters a sense of accomplishment and encourages students to strive for improvement. Again, for example, we can say an online learning platform wherein it introduces a weekly challenges. The students solves problem, and there the leaderboard displays top performers, and it encourages a healthy competition and motivating students to excel. So like we discussed, can say that by integrating these gamification elements into educational experiences, so students are more likely to stay engaged, motivated, and committed to learning. So the interactive and rewarding nature of gamified activities promotes a sense of achievement and progress, and also fosters a positive learning environment, that encourages continuous participation and improvement. Now let's move on and see what are the benefits of gamification in education. So, gamification in education yields multifaceted benefits by transforming learning into an engaging and immersive experience. By integrating game elements like rewards, challenges, and personalized pathways, it captivates students' attention, fostering active participation and intrinsic motivation. So, this approach, you can say that significantly improves learning outcomes, enabling better information retention, deeper comprehension of concept, and encouraging critical thinking. So moreover, gamified learning cultivates increased engagement through incentives, badges, and interactive content, and sparking students curiosity and driving continuous progress. So it also nurtures collaborative learning environments, prompting teamwork and peer interaction through shared challenges and group activities. So, overall, gamification revolutionizes the education by creating a dynamic, motivating, and personalized learning environment, that enhances engagement, encourages exploration, and ultimately leads to improved educational outcomes. So let's see what are the benefits. Improved learning outcomes. So the first point that we are going to discuss is the improved learning outcome. So through gamification enhance obviously learning outcomes by making the educational process more effective and impactful. It achieves this by increasing the retention and comprehension. No, so the gamified learning engages students very active, or it engages the students actively, and leading to the improved information retention and a deeper understanding of concept. For instance, we can say that language learning apps like Duolingo uses gamification to reinforce the vocabulary and grammar. It results in better retention. And then the second one we can say is encouraging active learning. So, gamification prompts students to participate actively in the learning process. How? By solving problems, by completing quests, and or by tackling the challenges. So, students are more likely to apply their critical thinking skills, and which leads to a deeper grasp of the subjects. So that's what with the improved learning outcome, wherein it achieves increasing retention, which increases the retention and comprehension of the learners, and also it encourages the active learning. The second benefit is increased engagement. Obviously, the gamification signifies a enhanced student engagement by making learning more enjoyable and immersive. So it achieves this by motivating students, The elements like we discussed, points, badges or leaderboards, incentives, students are no students by motivating student, it means that elements like points, badges or leaderboards incentivizes students to strive more for accomplishments and progress. And for example, platforms like Khan Academy Reward, here the students with badges for completing specific learning milestones and which motivate further engagement. Then other is personalized learning experiences. So gamification tailors content to individual student needs, making learning more relevant and engaging. So platform that adapt difficulty levels based on the students' performances. So like adaptive math programs keep students engaging by offering appropriately challenging content. So that is with the increased engagement, we can definitely say that it is a one of the we can say that the main benefit that we get through gamification is increased engagement. Then the other important thing is that collaborative learning. So gamification encourages collaborative learning experiences, fostering teamwork and peer interaction. So it is achieved by group challenges and quizzes. So platform that incorporate collaborative quiz and challenges that encourage students to work together towards a common goal. For instance, we can say educational games like Minecraft. The education edition promote collaboration by allowing students to build and solve challenges together. And also we can say that it shared a leaderboard and competition, means the leaderboards that display group achievements, promote healthy competition among students, which leads to increased engagement and interaction between them. So the platforms often integrate shared leaderboards to encourage friendly competition and collaboration among students. So definitely we can say collaborative learning is one of the benefit of gamified education. So overall, gamification in education not only improves learning but also enhances engagement and collaboration among students, creating an interactive and a motivating learning environment. We were discussing about gamification in education, wherein we have discussed what does gamification mean in the educational context, like how gamification enhances student engagement, or what are the benefits of gamification in education. Now let's move on with the topic AI, that is artificial intelligence. The integration of artificial intelligence into education heralds a transformative era, revolutionizing the traditional teaching methodologies and learning experiences. So, AI encompassing machine learning, natural language processing, data analytics, offers an array of tools and applications that adapt to individual student needs. So, this technological integration, promises personalized learning pathways, adaptive assessments, and intelligent content creation. Tailoring educational experiences to match students' unique learning styles and capabilities. So AI's capacities to analyze vast amount of data, it enables the educators to provide targeted grow support, real-time feedback, and customized learning materials. Now all these things helps to foster a more engaging, a more effective, and a student-centric approach to education. When we talk about adapting AI in education, first we can say that it will be a personalized learning through automated grading and assessment, and also through intelligent tutoring systems. See, all these helps to adapt AI in education. When it comes to personalized learning, like it says, the AI facilitates personalized learning by tailoring educational experiences to individual students' needs, abilities, and learning styles. So this is achieved through, we can say, through learning platforms or through content customization. Learning platform, in the sense we can say that AI powered adaptive learning platforms, analyze the students data and behavior to customize their learning paths. For example, platforms like Dreambox, Dreambox, adapt math content based on our students performances, and it offers varied, or it offers a targeted exercise. And like I said, it is through the personalized learning can be done through adaptive learning platforms, as well as content customization. So wherein content customization means the AI algorithms adjust the difficulty level, or the pacing, or the type of content to match each student's proficiency. Like again, we can give an example like Babbel. It is a language learning app, and there are so many other language learning apps. Recently, we can download it from our Play Store, and we can learn from anywhere at any time. So these apps, what they do, like they adapt lessons based on the learner's strength and weaknesses. So that's what with content customization. So they adjust the difficulty level and the pace and the type of content as per the students strength and weaknesses, and as per they make no they help out the learners or students. So that is with the personalized learning. Then when it comes to automated grading and assessment, like AI streamlines the grading and assessment process by automating tasks, providing immediate feedback, and ensuring accuracy. That is the main thing, that is to ensure accuracy. So for that, this includes automated essay graders, proper adaptive assessment tools and techniques. So, automated essay graders means the AI driven tools like Turnitin or Grammarly analyze essays, and it through these various AI driven tools, it provides feedback for to the learners or the students. So it provides feedback on grammars, they give for feedback on structure of the essays they have framed, or the originality. Now it helps to save the educators time on grading. So it is both benefited for students as well as teacher. So by using AI driven tools, like I have given the example of Turnitin or the Grammarly analyze essay tools, like it provides proper feedback to students, as well as it saves the educators time on grading. And then it was adaptive assessments. So platforms like you all have heard Khan Academy. So these platforms, there are more platforms which use AI algorithms to generate adaptive quizzes, adjusting question difficulty based on students' performances. It offers targeted assessment. So while through adaptive assessment or through automated essay graders, it ensures, or it gives immediate and it gives accurate information or accurate feedback to the students, and it also helps the educators to save the time on grading or assessing their works. Then as it is intelligent tutoring systems. So AI powered intelligent tutoring system emulate human tutors, providing personalized guidance and support. So this involves personalized feedback, real time assistance, you know so like we can say personalized feedback, in the sense AI tutors analyze the students responses and provide tailored feedback. For example, like there are some learning apps or learning AI tutoring systems that offers personalized support in math, or adapting explanation based on students problem solving steps. So personalized, it gives the personalized feedback to the learners. And then when it comes to real time assistance, the intelligent tutoring systems provide immediate feedback or immediate help and explanation, guiding the students through complex concept as their pace. So for instance, Duolingo is the AI driven language tutor assistant. So that assists learners with pronunciation, grammars, adjusting exercises based on their performances. So there the assistance, the users will get at real time. It will be immediate. It provides with immediate help, and it provides immediate explanation. So, adapting AI into education through personalized learning, automated grading, and intelligent tutoring system revolutionizes the learning process. It offers tailored experiences, it provides immediate feedback, and it helps or it personalized support to students. So, now ultimately, it enhances their learning outcomes. Let's see what is the role of AI in assessments across these three aspects, that is, automated grading, data driven insights, objectives, and unbiased assessment. So, first, let us see what is automated grading. So, here in automated grading, it means that the AI facilitates automated grading by analyzing and evaluating the students' responses. Then it really helps to reduce the manual workload for educators. So, for instance, we can say Turnitin is an AI power tool which helps to check the written assignments for plagiarism, offering educators a comprehensive assessment of originality and source authenticity. So, when the written document is uploaded in Turnitin, it helps the educators to check the plagiarism, and it helps to it helps the educators to find out the originality and source of particular matter which has been uploaded. So there are platforms like Gradescope. Gradescope automate grading for exams. It also automates grading for quizzes, assignments, it by recognizing the patterns and predefined criteria. So it helps in providing efficient and consistent evaluation. So that is what is called automated grading. Then data driven insights. It means that AI enables the generation of data driven insights by analyzing vast amounts of student data, offering valuable information for educators to tailor their teaching methods. This includes, we can say, the learning management system, that is LMS, like Blackboard or Canvas, or like we can say Canva use AI to analyze student behavior and performance trend. So, like these LMS will help the educators to analyze the student behavior and their performance trends. So they provide insights into areas where students may struggle. It also helps to enable the educators to adapt teaching strategies and offer targeted support. That is data driven insight. Then the third one is the objectives and unbiased assessment. So in AI, the assessments strives to ensure objectivity and minimizes biases in evaluations. So, offering fair and unbiased assessment strategies. So, for instance, we can say AI driven assessment tools like those used in standardized tests, which aims to reduce the biases by evaluating responses, based on predetermined criteria and without human influence. So, this minimizes subjective judgment and offers a more standardized and impartial evaluation process. So these we can conclude that these AI driven assessment methods revolutionize the evaluation process in education. It helps in providing efficiency. It is a data driven it gives data driven insights and fair, unbiased evaluations that support educators in providing the targeted and personalized support to students. AI powered tutoring and virtual assessments revolutionize education by offering personalized learning experiences, efficient evaluations, and immediate feedback. These technologies adapt to individual students' needs, enhancing the quality and accessibility of education while providing educators with valuable insights to support student learning and progress. 24 into 7 availability, it means that the AI powered tutoring systems offer round the clock availability, providing students with on demand access to educational resources and support. So, irrespective of the time zones or geographical locations, the learners or the students can access it anywhere, sitting at anywhere, at any place, at any time. For example, platforms like Squirrel. Squirrel AI Learning provide it's an AI driven tool. So it's AI driven tutoring service that are available 24 into 7. Here the students can access study materials, receive assistance or engage in learning activity at any time, prompting flexibility and accessibility. Then virtual tutors. AI based tutoring systems simulate human tutors, offering personalized guidance, explanations, and support tailored to individual students' need. Example, we can give it as chatbots or virtual tutors powered by AI, like IBM Watson Tutor, engage with students in real time. So, responding to their queries, adapting explanation based on the student's comprehension level, they provide interactive learning experiences, guiding students through exercise or concepts. And then the natural language processing, that is NLP, it means that the AI enabled tutoring systems utilize natural language processing to understand and interpret human language to facilitate seamless interaction between students and the system. For example, we can say the language learning apps such as Rosetta Stone or Babel utilize NLP to provide language lessons, and these apps analyze learners' speech or writing and offer corrective feedback. So, aiding in language acquisition by adapting to individual learning patterns. So by we can say that by incorporating 24 into 7 availability, virtual tutoring, and natural language processing, the AI powered tutoring systems and virtual assessments offer students personalized and accessible learning experiences, which helps in fostering engagement and providing, we can say, providing tailored support at any time and place. Can conclude it by saying that in the dynamic realm of education, the fusion of gamification and artificial intelligence marks a profound revolution, transforming learning into an interactive, personalized, and engaging experience. As gamification injects elements of play, rewards, and collaboration into educational contexts, AI complements this by tailoring content, providing adaptive learning pathways, and automating assessments. So, together, they cultivate an ecosystem where learning is not just a pursuit but a captivating journey. So, to quote Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. In this era of gamified learning enhanced by AI, education becomes a powerful catalyst, empowering individuals to chart their unique path towards knowledge acquisition and skill mastery, ultimately shaping a brighter future for generations to come. Today we have learned how gamification and AI enhances the student's activity. What are the roles of gamification and AI in current scenario? What are the trends of AI and gamification, and how these are reflected, or how these are helping the learners? So this was all about it. I hope you all have understood. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.